Hi guys, welcome to a Sunday vlog. So we're still in the middle of quarantine and today I've been feeling like really lazy and drowsy and tired, but I decided, I want to get some work done today. I didn't get any work done yesterday, so I gotta get some work done today. I've got a whole to-do list. It's called Google Keep. And I just have a list here, so if you can see, I've got for each subject that I take, and then also for each day, and I've just got the date also. So you can see I did not do all those things yesterday, so I'll just push them over to today. Anyway, now that you've seen my to-do list, I'm going to just make my bed and get a shower done, and then I'll update you guys. I was falling through the air. No one made myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of what we have been. Hi puppies. Love you, puppy. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, crocodile, puppies. So now that I've gotten my hair and makeup done, I'm just gonna let my hair dry, like air dry. I'm going to try out a frappuccino that Melissa Lucy on YouTube did. I don't have all the exact ingredients, but I'm just gonna try it out and see if it works. I'm not gonna use my blender because I don't feel like cleaning it. Feeling so lazy today, so instead I'm just going to use a bar mix, I think, and I also need to get some chores done. Oh, I'm falling over. The outfit that I'm wearing today is just this green top from Cotton On, I believe, and these jeans that I actually got altered, but you can get these from Factory, and then I've got these boots that I got from Woolworths. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know. I forgot to do the mirror, so I'm gonna use this. And then we'll be done. My hair's nearly dry. This is how you hold the phone. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I have to say, going up and down the stairs with boots on are quite a workout. The mirror is all clean now. My chores are done, finally. My hair is frizzy, but that's okay. I think I'm going to make my frappuccino now, and then we can get on to some work. Feeling a little more motivated now, so that's good. But a little unmotivated because I know I have to write an essay, and I hate writing essays, especially if it's creative writing, because like biology essays, those are fine, because it's just facts. But when I have to use a play on words and stuff, it's like, no thank you. When you think it's over and then you have to put laundry away. It's currently probably too late to have coffee, but I'm gonna have it anyway. It's 12:30, nearly lunchtime. Woo. Let's do this. Hey! No smacking my bum. Okay, let's try this. So I'm putting some ice in. Whoop. Okay, that seems like enough. I need an adapter. Well, I feel like this is not going to be enough. Whoop.
want to try some?
This is my to-do list for today. So I don't think I'm gonna get everything done, but we're gonna try my best. So my CV is only due for Friday. My essay is due for Tuesday, so that's gonna be my #1 priority. So yeah, and I don't know why, but I have a little bit of a headache. Maybe because I'm hungry, I don't know. But yeah. Like I haven't gotten anything out of it. It's like freezing. But it's good. It is so good. Like no. No. I think I should be fine. I'm just gonna let it dry. I'm sad. So my essay needs to be a reflective essay, and I'm wanting to do it about when my dog died last year. When she passed away, it was really, really difficult for me because I had her since I was 4, so it was like she was a sibling to me. I don't know if people will relate to that, although it's like, but anyway, that's gonna be what my essay is about. I just don't know how to express my words in a way that will make it like good reading. I think of just Rory Gilmore, how she could, you know, just write about a pavement and it would be good. And then you get me. Can't. Just can't. I'm going to listen to my playlist. It's called Calm on iTunes, and I really, really enjoyed it. It's got a few songs from like, I think Teen Wolf. I just like Shazammed the songs. I got a few songs from 5 Feet Apart, and then just some random songs here and there.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through.
Okay, so I've got an idea for my essay. So I'm thinking of making it seem like my dog was a person until like the last line of the essay, which will be like, I wasn't losing a dog, I was losing my best friend. Or like, I wasn't just, I don't know, just something like the last line shows that she was a dog, because like she has so many qualities that were human-like, and like she meant so much to me, like as if she was a sibling or a human. So that is my plan. And she did have a heart problem, so one of the things I want to put in is as her heart struggled to beat, my heart started to break.
Nights won't stop for traffic lights, and I really wanna know.
I've got 354 words out of, I think, a possible 700, so we're not doing too badly. Currently, I have, really done badly with my clothing today. I got some makeup on my shirt that is actually new from going like this. And I've got a bit of a coffee stain on my pants, I don't know if you can see it. But I think when I'm finished working, I'm gonna get into some comfy PJs and throw these in the wash. Whole plan on trying to make it seem like she was a person until the end of the essay kinda is not a plan anymore, because it wouldn't really make sense why I would be kissing her all the time and giving her hugs and snuggling on the couch. It would just seem a little bit not like me.
If I figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Wow. I'm getting really emotional when writing this essay, like, oh my gosh. It's just like bringing the exact feelings that I felt back then.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the skies.
makeup is all ruined, but it's okay because I'm just at home today. I'm about to have lunch with my family. We're just having burgers. Yeah, and I am freezing cold. I probably shouldn't have had that drink. I'm freezing. Anyway, yeah. Puppy, puppies, hi. I'm not even gonna fix this right now. I just keep laughing at myself when I see it because I'm like, people are probably gonna think, oh my gosh, that's so pathetic that you're crying about a dog. But like Trez, it was like, I don't know, I hope someone relates to it. Anyway, as I said, I'm not the best at creative writing. That's why I take sciences, but we still have to do English and Afrikaans, so that's just great. So yeah. But I'm freezing cold right now. Like, gosh, I don't know if it's the drink that I have still not finished because it was so icy. It took forever to, you know, make it not icy. You know what I mean? Anyway, I think I still prefer just like making a traditional coffee. I try out all these coffee things and I still prefer my normal coffee. Maybe it's just because I'm cold. Maybe in the summer that will be better, but it's like nearly winter, so probably not the best time to try it out. But yeah. So I read the first paragraph again and I was like, this is terrible. So I decided just to write that again and I think it's a little better. Instead of being like saying the obvious, making it a little bit more creative in my writing. It is 691 words. 3 o'clock. I don't know if I'm gonna get anything else done today, but I really want to get this essay done so I can be off my to-do list. Squishy! Hi! Hi, Squishy. Fuffies. So I am back now and my mom just read it and she said she really enjoyed it. So that's good. I just hope my teacher also enjoys it. Hopefully she's got that kind of understanding of losing a pet. I'm very proud. I'm very happy to say that I handed in my English essay 2 days early. Like, wow. Not really because like I don't hand things on time. It's more like I hate essays, so I'll usually do it last minute. I just don't even know how nice this feels. It's hard to do through this. Ta-da! And then I can just be like, it doesn't have to be on the to-do list for tomorrow. How can this not be like nice, like aesthetically pleasing with all these colors? I try to make it as rainbow as possible. Anyway, I'm gonna get into my PJs, take my mascara and everything off.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic.
Well, my face is really red. I don't know, I think it might be because the water I was using was so cold. And some more laundry to put away. Yay! Never ends.
I was falling through the air. No one let myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of where we have been. Sleeping with your back against me.
Okay, finally done with the boring stuff of the day, I think. So I just organized everything that I needed to file. Kinda hot now, I feel like it's because the sun's coming into my room. I don't know. Okay, my phone is about to die, it's like on 10%, but I've got my non-alcoholic Ruby grapefruit. I don't even know if you get alcoholic versions, but just had to put it out there just in case. And I just got a lot of ice in it, just to make it seem like there's more in here than there actually is. Anyway, I'm going to, while my phone charges, I'm going to watch some vlogs, get some inspiration on some editing, and then I might get on to editing.
Winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And
I'm going to watch some Netflix. My friend Josh recommended a show called Community. I don't know if I am into it yet, but you know, just started it, kind of enjoying it, kind of just thinking maybe it's going to get to like a really good part, but I think it's one of those shows that It's just nice to watch when you're bored, not really like something that has a huge plot to it. Wondering what I'm busy watching? I'm watching Community, New Girl, Teen Wolf, Gilmore Girls, rewatching that one, of course. I was gonna say obvious and of course at the same time. And then Modern Family, The Good Place, and much more. You cannot rip this jersey, you crazy? You crazy? He gets in these crazy moods. I feel like that's all he's been in today.